If I had a power, I would teach all people about taking care of this beautiful lonely planet of ours. I would take all beautiful animals out of those huge cages so that they can be free. I will teach people to conserve the natural resources we have. People to plant trees and stop deforestation. I will dismiss those huge weapons and I wonder why people also say those weapons can protect you. Let me tell you, there is no weapon that destroys your planet and it can protect you. It will just be suicide. Thank you.